Well, hello everyone. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I am super excited to share with you my master bedroom tour for fall for 2021. And I will be sharing with you the feature of my master bedroom with K-Gorge. Now, I have worked with this company before to share these luxe window panels. They are so beautiful to me. And I will have my living room iCard above. But they sent me 2 pairs of ivy colored panels and 2 pairs of the black. So I'm doing black and ivory in my master bedroom. Now these window panels, they have the back tab, and I love this. They are easy to use, to place on your rod. You feed it through and you do not see the rod. I must say these are velvet window panels. Now, while I'm doing this, I had my hubby raise my brackets up to the top of my ceiling. I ordered a 96-inch this time, and they look amazing. I have the black panels on the outside and the ivory on the inside, but I want to play with this a little bit, so I'm gathering these panels and I want to drape these a little bit differently, not just hanging them on the window. So here I am playing with these window panels. Now these panels are custom, and they again are beautiful. They give off an elegant and luxe look. Now I am using, to do this drape, I am using these brackets that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Very inexpensive, $6.99. And here is the reveal of this window treatment, I'm gonna say. Just playing around with it. You don't have to just have them hanging. You can play around with your window panels to get a dramatic effect. And this is giving me that. This is serving up dramatic. This is serving up elegance. It is just beautiful to me. I also added some tassels that I already had. I've had those tassels for years. They are in black, gold, and ivory as well. And I just wrapped them around those brackets. Just beautiful. I love how the draping is done in the center of this window. And guys, I have 2 windows, and I'll share the other one with you in a moment. But it is so beautiful. Here's the other window. And we did the same thing, hubby and I. And I'm going to pan to the right of my room to share with you the other window, so you can see that they are twinning. Now with KGORGE, you can order up to 120 inches in length. And I love that. And all panels are, the width of the panels are 52 inches. But their panels are so beautiful to me. Now let me share with you my room. If you've been following me, you know I found these mirrors from Hobby Lobby at 90% off. And when I saw them, I knew I would use them in my space. Here's my nightstand. I am waiting for my son to move out, and he will be getting this bedroom set, at least the nightstands and dresser. But for now, they are here. This is my headboard that I ordered from Amazon. I will have everything linked in my description box down below from Amazon. The Damas print Euro pillow covers came from my beautiful sister Christy C. She sent me these a while ago. And I was like, okay, here's my opportunity to do the black and white in my room. And I love them, Christy. I also placed this beautiful pillow, Faith Makes All Things Possible, that I picked up from Ross recently. The bedding itself, the off-white or ivory color, is a duvet, just an inexpensive duvet cover. And the black satin came from a recent haul that I did by New Chic. And of course, I placed this beautiful bed tray here with some flowers, a pumpkin, and a candle. Now at the foot of our bed, we have this love seat. This will be changing too next year. It will be a love seat here. It will be one of the ones in my living room. But for now, this is here, and I've placed my Damas pillows that I picked up from Tuesday morning on this love seat and a black throw. You also recognize this beautiful rug that was in my living room. Guys, I shop my home to give myself a different look in my home. Now sharing with you my hubby's side of the bed, his nightstand, and we placed another mirror. Those mirrors were $6.99 in the end. Can't beat that. Now on this wall here, again, I shopped my home using that artwork, and I pulled out my quilted rack. Getting ready for those cooler months ahead, hopefully. And of course, this is another look at this beautiful window. I am loving it. I am loving this dramatic look in this space with these windows. My family walked by and they said, wow, that looks amazing. Here's the dresser in my room here, keeping it simple with a lamp, a floral, and some beautiful vases that I already had. Now the new things that I've purchased for my home, and I recently shared in a haul, is these beautiful, and I'm going to call them wingback chairs. I picked these up from at home stores. I picked up a pair. You'll see the other one in a minute. And I was going back and forth. Do I want the ivory? Do I want the blue? Do I want the gray? And I went with this ivory tone. These wingback chairs, these are modern to me. They're up to date, and they have silver studs on them. Now, like I said in my haul, when you sit in these chairs, it's like you're sitting in a throne, that they are fit for a king and a queen. And I knew I wanted these in my master bedroom. Now, the fur pillows, they were in that new chic haul. The thankful pillows came from Marshall's, and it was a pumpkin, those pumpkins that you will see in the chairs. They're just for decorative purposes only. I had already. Now, these sconces I've had in my room ever since we moved into the home, and they came from Hobby Lobby. The fireplace is from Big Lots, and I've had that as well. The sconces and the fireplace I've had for 5 years now. And as you can see to the right is the other chair with another sconce. This is our focal point when we're sitting in the room, when we're laying in our bed. This is what we're looking at. Beautiful view. I would like to thank K-Gorge for collaborating with me again. I truly love your products. All of K-Gorge information will be listed in my description box down below. If you are looking for custom window panels, this is the place to look. And K-Gorge is very affordable. You can stop looking around. K-Gorge, check out K-Gorge because they have all of your window needs. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. And if you are a faithful returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.